What are the biggest policy changes or market shifts that could accelerate the clean energy transition on a global scale?
I think in terms of the big market shifts that we are seeing currently is the most prominent one was this household solars that people were adding, and then the impact that had on the electric utilities in many parts of the world. And so there's going to be a little bit of a disruption, but then I think there will be some calibration accordingly with those. But the other major areas will be when we are able to see much better electric car infrastructure. How will the tax mechanism function? Like in Delaware, we have been talking about, as the electric car prevalence increases, you have much less revenue from gasoline tax, which is a major source of income for the state. So they have to figure out, well, do we start to tax electric cars in some way or not? So there are going to be all these really interesting decisions which have to be made at the local government level.
But a large number of electric cars, if they have V2G, then they can act as a distributed power station
Yes.
to level demand for the grid.
Yep. In fact, one of our faculty members here, Willett Kempton, he has been one of the pioneers in V2G technologies, and definitely. But it depends on how much of those car, how much use you have for the cars, because they are being used for the grid, but then you also want them to be able to run, and finding that sweet spot is going to be interesting to navigate down the road. And